Let's talk about cleaning. I do have a cleaning service that comes in twice per month. This helps me a lot since all I have to do is just maintain and just do basic tidying up, nothing too deep, which helps, especially because my schedule is busy. I keep my products basic, mostly lavender scented products. This is a checklist that I keep. I don't clean on the weekends. I normally break it up and do a few items during the week. I feel like I'm always cleaning my bathroom, always. Especially the kids' bathroom. I'm constantly in there tidying up, washing up, wiping down the toilets. How about you? Do you find yourself always cleaning your bathroom? Especially the half bathroom on the main floor. I feel like I'm always wiping down the bathroom at least daily, especially the sinks and toilets. I'm just picky about my bathroom and I like when it's very clean and have that fresh smell. I prefer to use bleach or disinfectants in my bathroom to help kill bacteria and fight germs. And yours smell good? Next, I'll go around the house. I'll start to mop, sweep, pick up any dirty linen, change pillows, check my cushions, just anything like that. Those fabric tend to hold on to certain scents. My kids love to lay up and hold on to the pillows and blankets and sleep and cuddle and stuff like that. So I normally wash them once per month. So I go around and gather all the stuff around the house that needs washing. Then I take them up to the laundry room next. Please remember, I am not doing all these tasks in one day. I distribute Monday through Fridays and break up the task. Most of the time, my laundry is done on Mondays, and I'll probably do another round laundry load around Wednesday, Thursday, somewhere there again. I usually let the kids do their laundry on Saturdays because I could monitor what they're washing, and they have school and different activities during the week. So they normally do their laundry on weekends, and weekends is for me to relax and take it easy. So I prefer to do a little bit of task each day during the week. That way my weekends are free. I don't know about you, but I am very picky when it comes on to my laundry. I sort and I also wash according to color and textures. I normally leave my white linen for last, and I'll talk about that a little later in the video. I love to sit and watch the washing machine wash too. I find it mesmerizing. And I think I'm checking to make sure the clothes are being washed clean. Next task I'll talk about is my plants. I do love gardening on the outside, but I do keep a lot of plants in my house. I think they keep your house smelling fresh too, so normally I'll do the plants first before I do any type of sweeping up or wiping down because the dirt or soil from the plant gets everywhere, the dry leaf, and it gets wet. So I normally do my plants first, then I'll clean up after. I wipe every surfaces. I'm not particular with any cleaning detergent or agents. I just make sure it's eco-friendly. And my scent, I do prefer like a fresh linen or anything that's kind of lavender scented. And I spray and wipe down my surfaces at least once per week. However, my kitchen counters are done 2 to 3 times per day. I normally wipe down my kitchen surfaces. And just the furniture, don't use anything too harsh. That's why I stick to eco-friendly things. That way it's not too much chemical in it. And I have a lot of wood in my house, and I just find that eco-friendly cleaning agents do work better and preserve them. And nothing like a fresh scent. If the undertone has like a lavender or sage, it really keeps my house smelling fresh. I have one sister, whenever she comes, she's like, "What do you use in your house? Your house just always smells so clean." Well, that's a tip. Lavender, sage, or like a linen fresh scent. Those are my favorite scents. What scents do you like to use? Most of the time, I am always cooking, whether it's breakfast. I don't cook a lot of lunch, but dinner especially. And a tip I use after I'm done cooking is I wash my whites. I wash my white linen, and I think because I put Clorox and then I do the softener, it leaves my house smelling so fresh, and it get rid of that food scent that tend to linger in the house. So that's one tip if you want to try it, is leave your white laundry for last, and then after you've cooked, and I cook in batch, so I'm cooking a lot of food at one time. Whenever I'm cooking, it lasts at least 2 to 3 days. So the last load I always do is my whites, and it leave that fresh Clorox and clothes softener scent in the house when I'm done washing. Have you ever tried this tip before? I usually change the linens in the bedrooms once per week during the summer, but during the winter, I do it every 2 weeks. It's a little colder and it's a lot more linen to wash, and I keep up with it better that way. At the end of the day, I always light a candle. I think it helps me to kind of unwind and start to zen down from the day. I always take a bath. Like, self care is so important. I cannot emphasize this anymore. Don't use your weekends just to be washing, cooking, cleaning. Spread your task out. Remember self care. Use a calendar, plan. You could follow me for more tips. I've been doing this for a while, and I think some of the things that I use in my house could possibly work for you. Take a deep breath and just try again. You will find a schedule that's gonna work for you. Just take it easy. Remember, we're all different. We all live in different circumstances, and what works for one household might not work for the other. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.